Thompson, good look at a three.
Scoring 2 feet from the basket than 23 feet. Unless you're Buddy Hield.
Steph, drop it in a three, and Willie call his
numbers. Yogi to Bielitsa from downtown. Bielitsa. Nice pass back to Bogdanovic.
Great high prospect, and he's getting a lot of minutes now with Marvin Bagley out.
Steph Curry with the three off that set play. Durant setting up Clay. Now think about that. Steph shot that from UC Davis and hits a three. Quinn Cook's first playing time. And how about 12 in a row?
37-23. Belly open from distance. And so Bielitsa.
Up-paced, fast-paced game.
The three. KD taking a three. And it's
now 14-4. Golden State leading at points in the paint.
Could be difficult with this lineup on the floor. There's Bogey taking a three. Now they get a switch. Look at that pass to the open Jackson. Boy, that's beautiful, isn't it? Here comes Bogey. Bogdanovic. Here's McLemore. Big shot. Oh, now it's a 3-on-2 the other way. Bogey. Here he is.
Might have gotten a call, or at least a no call.
Steph, another deep three.
Boy, he's stroking it.
Warrior. Steph, a one-hand whip pass.
Another assist from Klay Thompson.
That was a warm-up three.
The problem with Buddy, it just takes him so long to get warmed up. I once saw him get a shot block.
Man, that's smooth right there.
58-52. And another three for the Kings.
Looney setting up Quinn Cook. Time to seam it up and drop in another three.
Buddy. Oh, wow. Buddy Hield. 61 all. That's 15 for Hield.
Iguodala for three, and they needed that.
That's got to feel good. Nice games. You just keep doing the same thing because they're shooting the lights out. And there's Curry again. He's going to need 5 threes tonight.
All Kings.
Looney's still limping. I'm watching him.
Steph Curry hitting a three and already running back down court.
Buddy open. Buddy Hield now with 18. That's his 4th three.
So Cauley Stein now with 11.
See, this is, if you can get Draymond inside, well, I'll tell you what, you'll take it when he hits that.
It out for Fox. Cauley Stein into the corner for a three. Hands of Bogdanovic. 5-point game. Fox to the red-hot Buddy Hield. Buddy, they left Buddy Hield open. And let me tell you something, that's not good defense when you leave Buddy Hield open. Jackson. Justin Jackson, 94-90. Here comes Bogdanovic. Numbers. Buddy, he stops. Oh, boy.
9 twos in the whole quarter. Steph from distance. And that's a good way to start the fourth.
Just a few more to get the next slot.
Durant for three, and he got it. Nice decision by Looney. 15 to shoot still. And Durant gonna hit another three.
Buddy sees the double come to him and sets up Jackson. Now that is the growth of Buddies. Can take the lead. Bogdanovic to Jackson.
Gotta have it.
Justin Jackson.
All right, let's see what they do.
Curry. More threes have been made in this game than in any other NBA game this year.
Can Jackson do it again?
The franchise record for threes for Sacramento. Curry drops in a three. This is the most threes ever in NBA history.
Volleyball out. Mills, three. Book it. Mills the other way ahead to Bellinelli. A three on the floor. Get fancy. Mills takes it. The trailing Bellinelli. Aim, fire, score.
Turnovers in a row here for the Thunder.
In the corner, Bellinelli three.
A trifecta from Marco Bellinelli. Well, points here in this first half for Ferguson. Not known for his shooting.
Bertans is though. Bertans
here for Billy Donovan and the Thunder.
Hill's got the high screen, pops the three. Clock showing a second to fire. And it's DeRozan the other way. Bertans, a three. Another one down the hatch. 5 in January so far, 3-1. Outside, Bellinelli, three. Caught! He cannot miss. Overall, they've won 8 of 12 have the Thunder. It's a Forbes three.
Over 50% here.
Forbes, another. Westbrook began 1 of 4, but he's gone 6 of 6 since. Long shot by Forbes. 4-15 in Memphis. Bertans, three.
This is getting ridiculous.
Elbow jumper. Make it 16 of the Warriors' third. Just dribbles into a three and buries another one. Klay Thompson again. Make it 6 of 7. Draymond cycling around. Klay Thompson. Klay Thompson again. Oh my. Klay in the corner again.
I don't think Klay will come out until he gets 40, and I think he has. Yes.
Klay Thompson.
He's got 41.
Okay. And Klay's got another one. Catch and shoot three. There it is. He's tied Steph. Might be really appropriate. For NBA history, he got it! 14 threes in a game. Has never been done. Motion. Steph Curry from distance has a chance to set a new NBA record tonight in three-point percentage. Steph Curry, oh, he could shoot threes in his own right too.
2 points a game. Second year, 12.1. Now he's at 21 a game, so he feels empowered.
Steph had a good ball, really moving around. Curry, feet set, three down.
I'll tell you what.
Saving it. Steph hiding behind Jordan, and there's the record. Nobody's ever made 5 or more threes in 7 games in a row.
Move the ball here. There he is.
Steph, deep three. Left. Curry, three. And there it is.